What's up and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are going to be unboxing the September edition of Glossybox. So you guys want to see what I got in here, what my thoughts are, well then definitely keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I know the first thing you guys are going to ask me is, what are you wearing on your eyes? Well guys, I'm actually wearing one of my favorite palettes. It's the Gemini palette from Milk Cosmetics. I love this palette so much and I tend to play with this when I'm off camera a lot, and it's like seriously still one of my favorite palettes. So please go check this out. I believe they actually have this now in stock. I know they have it in stock, I believe, at Milk Cosmetics website and Sephora. And then for lashes, I'm actually wearing my Tati lashes. Nothing affiliated, just me telling you guys what I'm actually wearing today, but I really freaking love this palette. I really just love the grunge vibe eye look that I'm rocking. Very grungy, very like rock and roll-ish. I love it, especially with like my blonde hair, which you guys actually noticed yesterday in my video that I actually just got my hair done. I did, so it's a lot more lighter, very blonde. It just makes you look very like grungy. I love it, but that is beside the point. Before we get into today's unboxing, I have two things I want to talk about. So if you guys just want to see what I got in this box, I will leave a timestamp down below. But first things first, I am actually hosting a giveaway on my Instagram right now, and I'm partnering up with Benefit Cosmetics. We're doing a full giveaway of like mini hauls. So you're going to see Briorgio in there, you're going to see Fresh Beauty in there, you're going to see Makeup Eraser in there, and Benefit Cosmetics itself. All you guys have to do to enter that giveaway is, if you guys are following me and Benefit Cosmetics on Instagram, make sure you guys like that photo and comment on that photo. Be 18 years and up, and it is unfortunately US only at the moment, but that is it. So make sure you guys head on over to my Instagram, which I'll have linked down below as well, so you guys can go enter that giveaway. And thank you so much, Benefit Cosmetics, for partnering up with me on that giveaway. I'm so excited. Secondly, I told you guys last month that when I got the Glossybox that I got skincare, and I give you guys kind of like an update on the skincare. So they did make a really cool like little PR box that allowed me to try out the skincare. Now I didn't get to try it for 21 days because I did kind of try out another skincare in between that I got from PR from BoxyCharm, but I did try this out for like 2 weeks. So first things first, we have the Glossybox skincare. This is the Gentle Foam Cleanser. I actually genuinely enjoyed this cleanser. It doesn't have a harsh smell to it. It just kind of has a light, almost like a chemical smell is the best way to put it, but it's not unpleasant by any means, and it was really nice. It washes my face really nicely. I really do enjoy this. They do have different sort of skincare that kind of curates to your skin needs. So I'm very oily, very large pores, so they kind of customize their skincare to fit my needs, but they do have it available on their website. You guys can kind of customize it to fit your needs as well. But I actually thoroughly enjoyed this cleanser. The exfoliating clay scrub right here, this you just use once a week. You leave on your face for about 10 minutes, and it smells really pleasant, and it did a great job exfoliating, getting away some dead skin that I had laying on my skin. I do enjoy this. The serum, the nighttime serum, I'm not really a big fan of this serum personally. I really do love my Good Molecules niacinamide serum that I have for me. I think that's just a better serum. This just kind of came more off like a moisturizer than it did a serum. So this is one that I probably would pass on and not really use that often, but I think it's cool they included it in the kit. The moisturizer, I do really enjoy the moisturizer. It's a 3-in-1 moisturizer that's geared towards oily skin like myself. I thought it did a great job at moisturizing my skin. Does it smell like my Shiseido Wasu Clear Mega Hydrating, like, you know, rich people skin moisturizer? No, it does not, and it's not my favorite moisturizer, but it definitely did the job. Then we had the little eye cream right here. It's just an eye cream. I didn't really notice a difference. I don't ever notice a difference when I use eye cream, but it was all right. And then lastly, we have a spray, which is a hydrating mist, which I don't know where I put it. Oh, it's right here, duh. It is a hydrating mist right here that tones, primes, and perfects the skin. You can put this on after you wash your whole face. You can put it on before you makeup. I thought it smelled pretty good. I didn't really notice a difference when I used it, but overall, I do like the Glossybox skincare. I think it's kind of cool if they have it. They're gearing it towards like oily skin, normal skin, and dry skin. So definitely go check them out down below. So with that said, we're going to dive into today's box. So if you guys haven't seen any of my previous unboxing, I do get sent this in PR, but you guys know that I'll always give you guys my honest opinion. I actually really liked last month's box. It was all pink themed because it was celebrating their 9th birthday. So I'm curious to see how this month is going to be. I know that in the UK, you guys say that this box retails for $10, but here in America, this box does retail for $21. It is free shipping, and it's like really hassle-free. You can cancel at any time. or you guys can sign up for the $18 a month box, but you have to promise you're gonna pay for 12 months. So you can pay $18 a month, but you have to have you have to sign you're gonna pay for 12 months, or you can just pay $21 a month and cancel at any time. I do have a discount code. It's just code Allie, which will save you guys 22% off your first box. So there's always that. And they always have like coupon stuff all the time. So, ooh. So this is what this one looks like right here. It looks just like their skincare packaging. Super cute. I really like that. Last time, like I said, it was a super pink box. I like how it's like nice and aesthetically pleasing. So as always, they have it all nice and packaged, nice and wrapped up, which I really, really appreciate it, because all my other subscription boxes, especially like BoxyCharm, just throw that stuff in there. They don't care to actually like take care of their stuff. First things first, the first thing that I'm seeing is this daily concept. This is a daily beauty headband. Oh, okay. For once, it's not like a scrub. That's exciting. Okay, so this retails for $12. What? It's a little headband. I want to see it. Oh, it's like one of those like cloth ones. Whenever you wash your face, legit, you can protect your hair from getting wet. Let's. Oh my god, I feel like I'm about to go work out. What is this? Super cute. No, I'm kidding. I know it's not how you wear it. I think you're supposed to wear it like, okay, let's get this tried out. Oh my god. Oh, my ears. Ow. You know, I actually gauged my ears long ago to size 2, and the holes, it took a long time for it to close up, but damn, they never fully closed up the way that I thought they would. Okay. I'm already getting foundation on this. Oh, son of a... Ow! Ow. That hurt. You know, I could dig this. I could rock it. It may not be the most attractive, but it sure as hell does the job. And I really like the fact that it's cloth, because normally I have something like this, which is just like a regular like headband, and it gets like dirty and it gets like wet and doesn't always protect the hair, but this is like a towel on your head. I love that. That is so cool. I don't have any of these. I'm already getting foundation on this. That's exciting. Okay, cool. Okay, so next we have Codex Beauty. This is an exfoliating wash. This face wash lightly exfoliates and tones skin, making it gentle enough for daily use. Jojoba grains provides a non-irritating exfoliation, while castor oil helps to clear pores and impurities. Retails for $18 for this deluxe travel size. $18 worth. Holy shit. But the full size of 125 milligrams retails for $45. Good God, that's expensive. Oh, that's right. It's not jojoba. Is it hojaba? Hohaibi. Listen, I said that name in a BoxyCharm like on Friday, and y'all were calling me out in the comments saying it's not jojoba. It's hojaba. Am I saying? I feel like no. I feel like I'm already messing it up. Okay. Jojoba. Wait. Jojoba. There we go. Pronunciation.
Jojoba.
I'm sorry. What?
Jojoba.
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 Jojoba. Jojoba. Jojoba. Wait. Jojoba. Jojoba. Wait, bitch, we gotta say it together. Jojoba. So, okay, it has the jojoba grains. Okay, this is just off topic here. Okay, why would you spell jojoba, like that's how it's spelled, and then call it jojoba? Like, who would know this called jojoba? I would never know that. What? That is, where do they come up with this? You know, that then now I'm gonna start going off on a tangent. Like, you know, how do we come up with the English like language? Like, how do they know what means like pointing? Like, what is that, or why, or there, or when? Like, when did we come up with this language? Like, what? How did we learn this? Like, who came up with the original language? Like, we just said and that just means it just goes on, or like an add-on, or sky. How do we know that's called sky? Like, who came up with this language? I literally sit here and I ponder this at night. I've literally had a full-on discussion one day over a bottle of wine with Corey, going, but like, how do they create the language? Like, how do they know what each word meant? Like, how? Like, I know the Phoenicians created the ABCs or whatever, because I learned that from, you know, being on the spaceship ride on Epcot, by the way. Spaceship Earth. Such a good ride. I miss it so much. But You could thank the Phoenicians for that. But what I want to know is, like, for real though, like, how did we create the language? Like, how? Like, who created it? I'm going to puzzle this for the rest of my life. I'm going to always ask that question. Like, how do we learn the language? Like, who created it? Are we still creating new words? Like, oh my God, are we still creating new words? Like, how they know that that's called hohaba? Oh my God, I'm gonna go so deep into my thoughts. Okay, I will be on this forever. So we're gonna go into this exfoliating wash. That's $18. Like the who would ever pay that much money? I know I would not. This is like sealed. Seems like it's cracked. I can't get this open. You know what? I'm gonna go ahead and put you in my no waste Wednesday. I can't even deal with you. Okay, next we got Miss Salus, Miss Melsuline Cosmetics, Melsuine Cosmetics, Melsuine. Damn it.
Melazine, and it's.
Oh, I'm sorry, what? Melazine. Okay, well, Melazine Cosmetics. This is the Magic Jade Roller. It retails for $21 and it says after moisturizer, spend 10 minutes rolling from side to mouth up to your ear. Use the handle for your nose and under your eye area. Combine with a sheet mask or leave it in the fridge for extra soothing effect. Oh my God. We're matching. Didn't they just determine that these are just kind of like a hoax, so they don't actually do anything? It's nice and cool, actually, though. It's pretty cold. Did they chill you while you were in here? You need some WD-40, my friend. You were loud. That's pretty cool. I don't have any of these. I do have like a one I just got from BoxyCharms, like this big like hair curler roller that I just put in the freezer. So that's pretty cool. That's always nice. I mean, I don't know how often I'll use it, but I do like the color though. It matches my eyes. Alrighty, next we have, let's see, tired of the same calamine / alcohol spot treatments, so are we. That's why we made Breakout, the super simple, super effective paste for your bumps and breakouts. This retails for $12. This is the full size. This is a full size product. We're gonna put this in the No Waste Wednesday. Okay, next. We have Vitamin Mask Ruby Sheet Mask, which retails for $7. This is Recharge Mind and Restore Skin, made with ruby stone powder and jojoba berries. It's a face mask. If you guys don't know, I'm very good at face masks. I feel like I'm never going to stop putting that clip in just because it looks so good. But I'm going to go ahead and add this to the No Waste Wednesday because I just don't need any more face masks. Like, I don't know what it is, but all these boxes in their damn face mask. Over it. All right, last but not least, we got this little guy right here. This is the Vanilla Co. Miss Flower and Mr. Honey Cream. The travel size retails for $6 and the full size retails for $42. And it says the ultimate power couple in a jar. This blend of royal jelly and yellow flower is soothing and nourishing. It provides moisture while also recharging and rejuvenating distressed skin. Oh my God, royal jelly. Oh my God, did the queen touch this? Oh my God, I just got it on my nose. So is it just a lotion? I can't quite pin. I can't quite like pin the smell. It's like a honey mixed with like a flower. I'm assuming this is just a lotion. Like it puts the lotion in the basket. I'm assuming that is what this is. All right, that's pretty cool. I'm always down to have more lotions, especially in Florida. All right, so that seems to be everything that we got in the box. We got 6 items in here. And none of it's makeup. Everything is either skincare or tools, which I actually am excited about this and this. And the reason I'm excited about this, well, one, I'm actually really excited about this because I'm gonna be using this quite often. But the Jade Roller, I've never had this before. It'd be kind of nice just to, like, you know, try it out. I know I had the other one, but it'd be kind of nice to just give this a go. But it's also nice to not just get full skincare and to get other products. Everything else, it's not really that exciting because they're just skincare. I don't want to sign up for these boxes to get skincare when I literally get skincare from so many other subscription boxes, and I know I'm not the only one. I know a lot of you guys out there are just as frustrated with me with the amount of skincare. I just feel like a lot of these brands are not really like taking into what their subscribers are asking for, where a lot of us are asking for makeup. Now there is quite a few of you guys who are very like, oh my god, I love skincare, you're gonna want it in 10 years. And guys, I hear you, trust me, I do, but I have literally almost 3 full drawers now of nothing but skincare. I personally can never go through that much skincare. It's why I do my No Waste Wednesday, so I can help to clear out the stock and give it to you guys, because one person doesn't need as much skincare. It's just impossible for me to go through all of it. So as appreciative as I am that they do provide this to help keep you like young and glowy and dewy and moist and dry and whatever it is that the skincare is supposed to do, I do appreciate it, but it just kind of gets redundant when it's every single month that not just Glossybox, but every box just gives you tons and tons of skincare. I just really feel like there needs to be like an even ratio, 3-2, like 3 makeup, 2 skincare. If you're gonna do a 3 skincare, at least do 2 makeup items. So this is definitely not an exciting box for me. If I paid $21 for this, I'd be pretty like, oh, I'm pretty bummed out, because it just wouldn't be what I wanted to pay for. Now, granted, one of the items is retails for $21. Like this is a $21 product itself, which is actually really cool because then the box just pays for itself. But knowing like all the other subscription boxes that I get, this one isn't just that exciting. So, which is kind of a bummer, because I actually do enjoy Glossybox. I do enjoy their skincare that they provided for me. And I know that later on this month, they do have an advent calendar that's coming out for like the Christmas time. And you guys have asked me if I can get that and review it. And so I'll see if I can. Like I signed up for the list to get notified when that comes out so I can buy it and like review it. I'm just hoping that there's not a lot of skincare, because that would be really much of a bummer. So thank you so much, Glossybox, for sending this box my way. You guys have no idea how much I appreciate it. But I do wish you guys would just start to incorporate a little bit more makeup in here, because it just, that's what people want to see. People want to see makeup. And you guys, from what I know, you guys are overseas. So it'd be kind of nice if you guys can put more makeup in here, because it allows me to be introduced to brands that I normally would never see here. So it'd be kind of cool if you guys did that. But that's just my opinion. Definitely not the best box. I thought last month was a lot better than this one. But hey, there's always next month, and that's what matters. And yeah, that is it for today's video, guys. If you guys like this video, please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post every other day, just depending. Make sure you guys go check out my Instagram. I'm hosting the Benefit Cosmetics giveaway, so go check it out. Also, go check out my other channel. It's R for Life. You guys can see my cool, wonderful adventures of amazing fiance Corey. And as always, guys, I just want to thank you guys for all your love and support. I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Bye. God, my eyes watering like a little beach. What is in my hair? Oh my god, if I had that in my hair this whole time. Oh, Jesus. Like really fresh and sweet, like some sweetener, like some, it doesn't. Hey guys. Sorry, making sure my mic's on. Ugh. Okay, before I talk so fast, I need to slow down. Oh, my eyes watering like a little bitch. Make sure you're, all you guys have the exfoliating clay club. Jojoba grains provide a non-irritating exfoliation. Jojoba